Hey, it's Justin KANOYA, DJ, business coach, and idea sharer. And in this video, I'm showing you the gear that I bring when I set up at small, intimate weddings. All right, before we get started, if you could do me the favor and subscribe to the channel, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so you get notified every time I bring you one of these new videos. And I wanted to bring this topic up because really for the immediate future, social distancing standards may dictate that people can only have weddings and events of who knows, maybe 50 guests or less. I talked to one of my colleagues who is a wedding planner here in San Diego, California, just to get her take on it. This is Evelyn Sell.
It's important that each vendor creates a special package and price for these intimate weddings. Knowing what you need for a 10 to 20 person wedding versus a 50 person intimate wedding is important so the couple feels secure in the process. Set these packages now so when the bookings start, you have them ready to go.
In this video, we're really going to focus on three categories when it comes to downsizing your gear. That's going to be speakers, lighting, and controllers or mixers. So let's talk about speakers. The Bose S1 has been a great and a really popular speaker in terms of being battery powered and compact. There's also the Bose L1 Compact, which was the predecessor really to what this was. It's not battery powered, but it provides a little bit more power and a little bit more volume. Other speakers like anything in QSC's K series, K8, K10, having different speakers in different sizes really gives you that flexibility to just adapt to whatever you need. So now let's talk about lighting. Because it's a small wedding, we're not needing the big trusses and moving heads, and you might not even have the space for a light stand and a tripod light stand with some kind of multi-function light bar. That's why uplighting fixtures are perfect. So if you already have uplighting, this is really likely all you're going to need at a small wedding. For me, I've got the Chauvet Freedom Park Quad 4 as well as a set of Ape Light Maxis. These are just perfect for small room, small event, because not only they put off really great light, but when it comes to dancing with the Ape Lights, for those that have it, it's got that amazing music mode, which is like a little step above Sound Active. So you're still getting a bit of a light show without having to bring all the extra equipment, DMX controllers, and all this other stuff that you traditionally would that would just be taking up space. Now when it comes to your mixer or controller, you may want to consider, if you don't already have one, look at some of the two-channel controller options. Two-channel controllers are traditionally going to be a little bit smaller. They're not going to take as much space on your table. You do also have the option of going even smaller and having something like the Newmark DJ to Go, which by the way is a great thing just to have as a backup anyway. So having a small controller, pairing that up with an external mixer, because with something like this you're not going to have microphone outputs, but just pairing it up with something like a 5-channel Behringer, really simple mixer is going to give you the microphone inputs that you need. Really great options if you're looking at a downsize or a smaller footprint when it comes to your setup. And this is going to be great for future business, because a wedding coordinator or wedding planner who invests so much of their creative energy in helping our mutual client design this wedding of their dreams to look beautiful will know that we're not the DJ that's going to bring a bunch of extra equipment that's just going to junk up the room. This is another concept that Evelyn had even touched on when I asked her about the importance of DJs blending into the environment.
A DJ needs to bring the minimum setup for 10 to 20 people. Change your mindset and expectations to be in line with the atmosphere of the event. Having your setup and equipment cohesive with the environment is important.
Having the right equipment and being able to use it at the right time is so key and is so important for us as DJs. If you like this video, go ahead and please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I love bringing these ideas to you and really like seeing some of the comments and the questions that all of you have. Thank you again for watching. I'm DJ Justin KANOYA, and I will see you next time online.